Is it recording?
I think so. I think it's recording. You're supposed to say hi.
Hi, I'm Scarlett.
I'm Scarlett. She's Rose. She's dumb and I like cheese.
I'm not dumb.
Cheese is my
like
favorite
cheese.
thing. You like cheese? I eat all the cheese. I eat all the... We had a plan, guys. We had a plan. We really did. I like cheese and she's going to tell you about Spanish.
Okay, so I go to the Spanish class once a week, which for me is a big deal. I'm really antisocial. I don't like to see people at all except for her.
Because I'm the best.
It's true. She is.
I really am the best. But okay, you went to the Spanish
But anyways,
class.
so I go to the Spanish class, which is supposed to be a beginner Spanish class, right? But like, so I'm like, okay, I know hola, como está, right?
Habla
Adios.
español?
Yeah, right. Like,
Mispronouncing the Spanish.
my knowledge of Spanish is very, very little. But everyone else in the class has already taken this class, apparently. They all know the answers. They all know everything already. And so I'm like trying to learn, sitting here in my seat trying to learn Spanish. And I know nothing. And then the teacher's like, okay, so I have this plan. We're all going to sing this song in Spanish.
You're gonna sing?
Which, yeah, singing. Exciting.
La 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 la.
Yeah, pretty much. So no one else really is singing and I'm like singing at the top of my lungs. Everyone is looking at me as I'm mispronouncing all the Spanish words because I don't know anything in Spanish. And then like the teacher's like, oh guys, let's dance. Let's dance. Yeah, like dance. And she wants to like really dance.
La 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 la. Is it like salsa, like super hippie, like
Yeah.
like hips and like
Yeah,
sexy and
all
like,
the hips and the butts.
ooh, the hips and the butts,
the hips and the butts.